Hello, welcome. Today we are going to assemble the Ohana DIY ukulele. This ukulele is extra special for two reasons. Number one, it was painted by Marco Miranda, a Mexican artist from my region. And number two, we raffled this ukulele off and 100% of the proceeds are going to go to school, well actually to pay for arts in the school. Marco began the process of painting the ukulele at the Art Walk, an event celebrating artists in the community of Calexico, California. Marco then took the ukulele to his home in Mexicali, Baja California, Mexico to complete it. This painted ukulele is a representation of how art and music joins us. The union is represented by the bridge in the back. When we turn on a black light, the bridge lights up. Marco explained that the bridge lights up because we as people have to eliminate the lines that divide us. The ukulele is different in daylight and under a black light, like giving this ukulele another life. Thank you, Ohana Ukuleles, for making this fundraiser possible, and thank you, Marco Miranda, for painting this ukulele and bringing it to life through your talent and work.